Hi everyone. So today, lumpy skin disease classification. So what is this lumpy skin disease? So lumpy skin is a viral disease that affects mostly the cattle, and it causes fever, spitting, and all. So why we're using lumpy skin disease classification today? So so image classification. I mean, we're using image classification tool here. So it will diagnose the skin of the cat basically. So images of cattle can be analyzed and it classified based on the presence and absence of lumpy skin disease symptoms. So that the veterinary, so in the sense the animal doctor, they will inspect, they will see which is infected and which is not infected. And moreover, so image classification can also be aid in monitoring and surveillance of the lumpy skin disease outbreaks. By analyzing the patterns in the data, authorities can identify areas that are higher risk of infection and implement preventive measures in that area. And it also helps in spread of the disease. So overall, image classification for lumpy skin disease can improve disease management and control, which have significant benefits for the livestock industry and public health. So that's the more objective of using lumpy skin disease classification. So for this, I'm going to use VisionNet B2 here. So let me rename it as skin disease. And the first class I will keep it as lumpy skin. And second one I will do it as normal skin. Normal skin. So I'm going to, so I made two classes here. One is lumpy skin and second one is normal skin. Okay. I'm following the same protein thing. So I added it as lumpy skin disease. I'm using the FusionNet B2 version for this, for classifying images of lumpy skin and normal skin. Uh, I'll go to lumpy skin, add lumpy skin images. Yeah. So there are 225 images of lumpy skin images, lumpy skin category. In the normal skin, so I've added 330 images of normal skin and 225 images of lumpy skin. Since I don't have much data for lumpy skin, so I've added some 225. Normal skin, I have 330 images. Okay, so let us start training the model. I started training now, so I'll be back after after getting the notification. So once if the model is trained, I'll be getting a notification by mail say that the model, the lumpy skin disease model is trained. So we can go for the second phase, that is testing phase. Okay. So hi, the training part has done. Lumpy skin disease, the training part is done. So we got the mail pop-up saying that lumpy skin disease model is now ready for testing phase. So we have seen the accuracy. So the first class for lumpy skin, we have added 225 images, and for normal skin, we have added 330 images here. So you can see the validation accuracy and normal accuracy. So we're getting 94% and 99% of accuracy, which is very good. So now let us try doing the testing for this model. So I'm clicking on start testing and I will upload two images, one image for lumpy skin and one image for normal skin. Yeah, choose a file. Yeah, so now the model is 89% confident that the image which you just uploaded is a lumpy skin disease and the skin is infected with lumpy. Okay, similarly, we'll try to upload one more image. Yep. So this is 92% confident that this is a lumpy skin image. Similarly, let us try with the normal image. And this image is 95% confident that this is a normal skin. So that's how we will test the model. So we're getting good percentage score, prediction score. Okay, and the last step will be the export model. So we are providing you three kinds of export model. I mean the deployment models. You can deploy a model as a model file. You can deploy a model as a Docker image. You can also deploy a model as API service. Okay, so these are three export models that we are. Okay, thank you guys.